Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Our group chose Library Management System for this assignment. Executive Summary. Librarians are called upon not only to retrieve electronic material, but to organize into digital libraries, resources generated and stored centrally, or they may be created and accessed as a virtual library in a dispersed manner. The organization of this collection, either directly or indirectly by one or more information organization structure, is necessary for the effective adoption and use of any knowledge organization system. The terms are meant to incorporate all forms of information organization and knowledge management scheme. KOS provide grouping and categorizing structures that arrange materials at general level, topics that include more comprehensive access, and authority archivers that manage alternative copies of key details such as geographical name and personal name. The KOS used in a specific case may be borrowed from the tradition of the library or from traits such as Google Categorize, may be established locally, irrespective of its position with respect to a resource, its origin. KOS has purpose to arrange material to facilitate the retrieval of related objects from a digital library collection. The first section of this study it will describe the general characteristics of KOS with a focus on their relation to specific worldview, the historical of library management system and other knowledge are described. Section 2 and 3 will provide the problem statement for this system and the objective of this project. Section 4 discusses the proposed solution for library management system. Beyond that, we have flowchart before we build the system. Introduction. The library management system, also known as the automatic library management system, is a program that has been developed to perform the basic housekeeping function of the library. It's a well-organized library technology solution. It helps to provide the customer as well as member with information about every book in the library. It maintains track of the book is available or not, and addition of new member. Background of the project. Library management system is an application that refers to a library system that are usually small and medium in scale, used by librarians to operate the library using a computerized system where he or she can check if the book is available or not, adding the new student and others. Books and student maintenance modules are also provided. It will keep track of students using the library. No lack of book or participant record for this computer system usually occurs when a non-computerized system is used.
Problem statement. First is time. Students have lots of things to do, including doing assignment and attending class at any time. So, they have limited time to find books at the library. Second, energy consuming. The library at University Malaysia Terengganu has a big space. There are more books with a book section and use more energy to find a book. Third, COVID-19 pandemic. During this pandemic, movement and gathering was prohibited because coronavirus can spread easily. It made students have to limit their movement in the library. Fourth, busy. The librarian is busy with their tasks and sometimes they make students queue while waiting to ask them about books.
Objective. Objective of this project is, first, this framework was designed to solve problems in the library in order to improve control. An efficient and this system can add users and authentic users. Second, if a computerized system is introduced, it will no longer require a large workforce, so maintaining a library can reduce the total cost of paying employees' salaries. Third, using a few mouse clicks and many keywords or barcode search, librarians can manually locate documents to save precious time. In a small PDF format, teachers often have the ability to upload lecture notes and make it easier for students to access the note.
Proposed solution. Library management system is proposed to address the inconvenience listed in existing system. The proposed solution has following features. Time. Individually, each member will have his account through which he can access the information he needs. Energy. Student can register electronically and only the student will browse for a book that is either available or not, so it saves the energy. COVID-19 pandemic. In the library management system, there are book details, so the student can follow the social distancing procedure in the library. Busy. Time consuming is limited. Give accurate result, reliability can be improved with the help of security.
Flowchart. This is the library system flowchart. It starts with administration and there are decision part. If verification is successful, it will continue at the data entry or choose department. For data entry, they are at user features, while for the department, user can choose book and see the status.
Conclusion. In conclusion, this website provides a computerized version of the library management system that will benefit students as well as library staff. This makes the whole online process where students can find books, staff can generate reports and do book transaction and add students. It also has facility for student login where students can log in and be able to see the status of the books issued as well as request books or provide some suggestion. It has a teacher entry facility where teachers can add lecture notes and also provide the library of necessary recommendation and also add information about workshop or events happening at our college or nearby college on the online bulletin board. Program codes. There are 8 coding for library management system coding. Login pages. Menu page. Third, library department. Fourth, English department. 5, newspaper department. 6, chemistry department. 7, physics department. Last, data entry.
Appendix 2. Manual how to use. Here is our library management system. First, user need to log in as admin. The default username is admin and the password is admin2. Click submit to continue. This is menu page. There are two option menu, which is data entry and departments. First, we go to data entry. The function is to add user. Admin need to fill in students' detail. First, fill in the user ID, which is the metric card number. Then the username, the father's name, and the current semester, and also the institute. Then click Submit to continue. The dialog box shows that the user has been added. Click OK to continue. And click Go Back button to return at the menu page. The next one is departments. There are 4 departments, which is Department of English, Department of Newspaper, Department of Chemistry, and Department of Physics. First, we go to English department. Then, select a book that student want. Then, click OK to continue. The dialog box shows that the book has been issued, which means that the book is not available. Then click OK to continue. Click Go Back button to return at the department's page. Next, we go to Newspaper department. Choose a book and then click OK button. The dialog box also shows that the newspaper has been issued, and it means it's also not available. And then click OK to continue. And click Go Back button to return at the department's page. Click Go Back button to return at the menu page. And click Go Back button again. And now we're back at the login page. That is all our project demo. Thank you.
Thank you from us.